Hello, my name is Wendell Woodbury. In today's world, people are not only relying on the medical profession to solve their health problems, but many are now turning to alternative medicine, like self-healing, and they're turning for a multitude of reasons. Some because they've relied too heavily on doctors as miracle workers, others because they've become dependent on ineffective and sometimes overprescribed medications, and still others are now looking because of the ever-increasing cost of health insurance. The ironic thing is, many people don't realize that self-healing can be right at your fingertips. Arthritis is actually a general term for approximately 100 diseases that produce either inflammation of connective tissue, particularly in the joints, or non-inflammatory degeneration of this tissue. The diseases include osteoarthritis, rheumatic arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, lupus erythematosus, ankylosing spondylitis, and Lyme disease, as well as many others. The areas that are most affected by arthritis are around the neck, the shoulders, the arms, the hands, the lumbar joints, the hip, the knee, the ankle, and feet. In fact, arthritis can strike almost anywhere. Surprisingly, about 1 out of every 7 Americans exhibit some form of arthritis. The Chinese self-acupressure massage technique we'll introduce to you in this program may also be used for those suffering from bursitis, traumatic joint or soft tissue pain, and joint dislocation. In fact, even those suffering from osteoporosis can benefit from acupressure massage because these techniques increase the metabolism, blood circulation, and help to relax affected muscle tissue, thereby increasing the healing process and decreasing pain. Remember, this group of diseases is very complex, and damage can be at a different degree, so make sure you check with your doctor before you apply these techniques on yourself. Fortunately, through the use of Chinese self-acupressure massage, there may now be a way to reduce or even prevent the many symptoms of arthritis. For years, these ancient Chinese techniques have not been open to the Western world. In fact, these techniques and how they work remains a mystery to this day. Only in the past decade have these techniques been introduced to the Western world, and unfortunately, in most cases, they've been limited to only a few massage clinics that are available to the general public. Normally, back and lower back pain are difficult areas to reach by yourself, so the use of a sock ball would be very useful in this situation. Simply put 4 or 5 tennis balls in a sock and tie the opening to make sure they cannot fall out. You will use this sock ball as a stimulating tool wherever you have pain. You'll want to put the sock ball on the area of pain by either holding it there, hanging it on a wall, the front of a chair, or even putting it on the floor. If your pain is specifically in your lower back, find the trigger point of pain and rub against the ball gently at the beginning, slowly moving more firmly against the sock ball, applying pressure for 3 to 5 minutes, or even longer if necessary. The safest technique in this situation is to hang the sock ball against the wall and move your back against it. By performing this simple exercise, you should get instant relief from the pain. But remember, you should check with your doctor before you perform this technique. If you are unable to make a sock ball, then simply place your fist against the wall with your knuckles facing your back and then move against your knuckles on the trigger point of pain for 5 to 10 minutes. You should also place a little more attention on the Yaoyan point, located at the bony prominence of the pelvis, which is located halfway between the spine and the side of your body. You can also press on these following points to stimulate relief. The Weishiang point, which you'll find located at the center of the back of the knee, and the Chengshan point, which is located in the back of your calf. To find this point, first step on the toe of one foot, then locate the muscular prominences on the back of the calf. Find the groove between these two prominences and locate the spot in the groove where the muscular bulge becomes less prominent. Once again, this is called the Chengshan point. Another point to press for relief of back pain is the Yangling Quan point, located near the head of the fibula, which is the bone located on the outside of the calf. The head of the fibula will move slightly when you make a movement, as if you were going to walk on your big toe. The Yangling Quan point is located 2 finger breadths down and inside at a 45-degree angle from the head of the fibula. Remember, the muscle here is thicker, so you'll have to press harder. If you suffer with trouble in your hips, or especially with pain in the sciatic nerve, these massage techniques should help. If you're interested in learning more about acupressure massage for these or any other problem, please look for our exciting new video series. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a healthy and peaceful future.